Hello! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another reaction video, you guys. The last video I uploaded was to n.ch's debut video. Like I said, because I loved I'm So Pretty so much, I want to get more into nature. So I decided I'll react to all the songs that have music videos. This next one is Some, You'll Be Mine in parentheses. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, time is ticking. Another school thing because the debut, like, oh wait, oh my god. Sunshine! Wow, this is like different. The sound. Is that Loha? Loha, yay! She's in a video. Sebum? Is that the one who just sang? Sunshine. No jokes, like being totally serious, I do love Sunshine's voice. I feel like it's so unique. I'm getting to the jog. I'm ready. That was n.ch, right? Yes. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Was that like... I feel like that was like a... Oh my god. Sunshine looking like a dance creep in the corner. Wow, did not think it was gonna sound like that. Okay, finally Sebum has like an actual rap verse. n.ch, woo, my second bias. Loha, woo. Rappers, 3 rappers killed it. Yes, love choreo like that. See, like, oh my god. Oh wow, they all look so badass in the, like, their black white outfits. Okay, it's not showing them again. I love that dance that she did. It's not an official dance, but still, I love that. This, I love all their outfits here. They look so badass and gorgeous. They actually took pictures and used it. No, honey, don't dab. Alright, well, it was a trend at the time. I can't blame you. We got the bridge. Slow it down. Alright, donuts, having a party. Oh wow, that was creepy, but cool. Oh, okay, they didn't do like the string dance right there. Is that main dancer girl with the solo? Like I know Lou is later, right? But I don't know who main dancer is. Wow, was that like... Are they like shining in the flash? That's so cool, the disco ball reflecting on her. Yes, that ending. Hearts everywhere. Okay, but... Am I supposed to know who those guys are? I mean, I don't think so. Are these trainees or something from like their company? Cameo. That's probably a cameo. Their debut was like so cute, right? Well, like I guess I'm assuming Some, You'll Be Mine came right after the debut. And instead of cute, cheerful, it took a sharp turn and went, no, we're going EDM style. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to check out other reaction videos I have on my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. So with that, bye-bye.